Welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to give you a prelude to our awesome Halloween science show that's going to be at Conner Prairie on October 9th, 16th, 23rd, and 30th, every Saturday at 6:15 and 7:45. It's going to be amazing. And one of the things that we're going to show you is our skull cannon. Check it out. This is kind of like my scaled up plasma cannon that I made a year ago, but this one is really powerful. Let me show you its features.
The first step in making the plasma cannon is just like my flask is made out of plastic and has a screw on each end. I've done the same thing over here to a 5-gallon water jug. I've got a screw over here and a screw over here so the plasma can jump between the two. Next, you want to take a little bit of isopropyl alcohol, 90% or higher, and put a little bit in your bottle and then rotate it so the alcohol covers the walls of your jug, and then you want to plug it so all the vapors get trapped inside there. And I'm using kind of this foamy skull, and I'm getting a really good seal there. And then I'm just going to rotate it so that the alcohol coats the walls of the bottle and starts to vaporize. Okay, now for the best part, I'm going to use my high frequency generator that's going to jump plasma from one screw to the other screw, igniting the vapors inside the plasma cannon. So here's the screw, check it out. Whoa, what a plasma cannon.